Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you an amazing, very interesting and very beautiful knitting stitch pattern. So, so this pattern is knitted two different yarn. So this is very beautiful pattern. This is very embossed pattern. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, babies sweater, ladies cardigan, babies blanket, for babies blouse, for jumper, for hat. You can use this pattern for all kinds of knits. This is very easy and very beautiful pattern. So in order to make this pattern, you will need to cast on multiples of 4, and this is only 8 rows repeat pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please like, subscribe and also share and comment to my channel. So friends, let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, for a sample I cast on 20 stitches on my knitting needles, and you cast on as many stitches as you want. So let's knit together. So friends, I am going to use another color of yarn. So we knit 3, we knit 3 and slip 1. Again knit 3 and slip 1. Again knit 3 and slip 1. Now this way I will complete row 1, knit 3 and slip 1 and knit 3. So friends, this way I have completed row 1. Now we knit row 2, and for row 2 we slip edge stitch and we knit 3, knit 3 and slip 1. Yarn in back, slip 1, again knit 3 and slip 1. So this way I will complete all rows. Slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, knit 3. So friends, I have completed row 2. Now we need row 3, and I am going to use the this first yarn. So I am going to knit 1, 2, 3. We knit 3 and slip 1. Again knit 3 and slip 1. Again knit 3 and slip 1. Knit 3 slip 1. Knit 3 and we knit easy stitch. So friends, this way I have completed row 3. Now we knit row 4, and row 4 we purl all stitches. So let's knit. We purl all stitches. So friends, this way I have completed row 4, and now we knit row 5. So row 5, row 5 we will use next color. Now row 5 we knit 2, we knit 1 and we slip 1 and we knit 3. 3 we knit 3 and we slip 1. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and slip 1. Knit 3 slip 1. Knit 3 slip 1 and knit 2. So friends, I have completed row 5. Now we knit row 6, and for row 6 we slip easy stitch and we knit 1 and we slipped stitch and we knit 3. Now again we slip the slipped stitch. So that's the repeat. Now we knit 3 and we slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, and for edge stitch. So friends, this way I have completed row 6. Now we are going to knit row 7, and for row 7 we will use next color, and we knit 1 and slip 1 and knit 3. Knit 3 and slip 1. That's the repeat. Now again knit 3, slip 1. Now again we repeat to the end of the row. Knit 3, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1 and knit 2. So friends, we have complete row 7. Now we knit row 8, and for row 8 we pull all stitches. So friends, I have completed row 8, and as you can see, this is how I knitted row 1 to row 8. This is very easy pattern, and this is very beautiful pattern. So I have done only one repeat here, and you repeat this repeat pattern 1 to 8 rows over and over again according to your desired length. And after some repeats, the pattern will look like this. So this is very interesting pattern, this is very beautiful pattern, this very amazing pattern. You can apply this pattern for any projects you like. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all success in knitting, and I wish you all for good health. Have a good day.